Now the halacha of the day, we're located in Siman Nun Aleph. We're speaking about Pesukei Dezimra. We explained that Pesukei Dezimra is its own body of tefillah. From Baruch She'amar until Yishtabach is one body of tefillah. You're not supposed to interrupt. That time is considered not really tefillah. I used the wrong word. It's really shevach. It's really praise. It's one long song from the beginning till the end. Therefore, a person should not interrupt in between. What is he allowed to interrupt? What is he not allowed to interrupt? So first, the easy stuff. Baruch Hu, Baruch Shemo, from the beginning, once you start Baruch She'amar, until Yishtabach, until the end of Yishtabach, you do not say Baruch Hu, Baruch Shemo to anyone's bracha. Beginning to end of that. Now, Amen, you're allowed to answer throughout. That's not an issue. Amen Yehei Shem Rabbah, you're allowed to answer in between. That's not an issue. What is considered an issue? For example, if somebody, let's say you stepped out while you're in the middle of Pesukei Dezimra, and the shul across the hall, let's say, is in the middle of Kedusha, and you walked into their room, you didn't know. They're in the middle of Kedusha. So you cannot say Nagdishach v'na'aritzach. We don't say Nagdishach v'na'aritzach if you're in the middle of Pesukei Dezimra. However, you do say Kadosh, which is Kadosh, 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 v'chulu, and Baruch Yevod Hashem Mekomo, and Yimloch Hashem. Those three you have to say, even if you're in the middle of Pesukei Dezimra, those three you answer, no question. However, what's interesting enough is once the whole Yishtabach is finished, before the Kaddish started, and before Baruch Hu, over there you're allowed to answer anything. Over there you're already allowed to answer because you finished the Zimra, you finished the song. Now we're waiting for the new thing to start. So therefore, if you're located there, it's much easier. The halachot are much easier. What about, here's a tricky question, Shlosh Esrei Midot Rahamim. You're in a shul, and now they're saying, and you're in the middle of Pesukei Dezimra. Now, there's a law. If this is considered Shevach, if this whole Shlosh Esrei Midot is considered praising Hashem, El Rahum Hanun, then you would be allowed to answer it. But if it's not considered Shevach and it's considered Tefillah still, then in that case you're not allowed to say it in the middle of Pesukei Dezimra. What's the halacha? So we call today that those things, Shlosh Esrei Midot Rahamim, although they are also praises, however, it has the deen of Tefillah. That's how powerful those Shlosh Esrei Midot Rahamim is. That it has the deen of Tefillah, and they're not me'inyan azmirot, they're not part of songs. So for that reason, do not answer. You just stay quiet if you hear somebody saying Shlosh Esrei Midot Rahamim while you're in the middle of Pesukei Dezimra.